those who dare, dream. Those who dream, achieve. And there are those who explore, those who discover. They are the true adventurers, the innovators, constantly creating to make a difference in our lives. This is what Haya has always believed in and strived towards. Our passion for innovation has made us the #1 worldwide in major home appliances. In the process, we have worked up an impressive billion turnover. Our innovative practical appliances have won us numerous awards over the years. In India too, Haier is recognized as the most innovative appliances company. Naturally so, considering that all our products are specifically inspired by the lives of our customers, be it across the world or in India. It is only befitting that the vision going forward should be Inspire 2013. The genesis of our innovation begins right from our manufacturing capabilities, which are amongst the best in the world. In Pune, across 40 acres of land, lies one of India's most advanced facilities to manufacture refrigerators and washing machines. A glorious addition in 2010 saw it being upgraded to add a line for manufacturing air conditioners. On the anvil is a state-of-the-art, highly advanced R&D wing. All this is in line with our vision to offer the best to our customers.
My experience with Haier is really very good. I bought my refrigerator last month only, and within 1 hour the dealer has delivered the product to me. The very next day, customer care officer came to my house and set up the refrigerator working and explained everything to me about the working of refrigerator. And from then onwards, I think this is the best thing I have bought. I really liked it very much.
I've just bought a Haier LCD and I just love sitting in front of it and admire it because of its looks and because of the style it has got.
I bought this Haier 1 year back. I'm very much happy with the quality and the performance of Haier LCD. Price is low, but features are very good. I have recommended this to many friends of mine.
Haier's SBS refrigerator, I'm happy with it. It's not only equipped with advanced technology, but is also an energy-saving product.
I'm a music fan, and what I really like about this is that it's got SRS True Surround, and the sound quality is awesome. I love it.
Because whenever I had a problem, which was very rare, the after-sales service was just wonderful.
कपड़े धोना पहले इतना आसान नहीं था. जब से मैंने हायर वॉशिंग मशीन अपनाई है, कपड़े धोना मेरे लिए बहुत आसान हो गया है.
I feel the ultimate freshness every day after taking bath. The high water heater creates the freshness to start the day beautifully. Earlier I was using others, but I think this is the best.
We have been using Haier AC at our residence from last 1 year, and its performance has been the best out of all the other ACs installed at our residence. My father, who is an architect, is a regular buyer of Haier products for his projects.
Our commitment goes beyond simply this. It extends to helping our customers experience our fabulous innovative products in an environment that is akin to their modern lifestyles. Towards this, we have made great strides, opening Haier experience centers across the country. Our products are driven and inspired by you. Inspired living. Like our BMR refrigerators that brought in a paradigm shift in their category with the unique feature of a bottom-mounted freezer. Our ACs have Aqua nanotechnology that promises nature fresh air always. Or take for instance our NZP technology in washing machines, which is made for Indian conditions to operate at near zero water pressure with health sparklers to give you germ-free clothes. Truly a miracle of technology. Latest advances in viewing technology have ensured that we give you an entertainment experience that is not just stress-free but also pocket-friendly.
The revolutionary TVs from Haier. Join the game.
We have launched water heaters with unique music function besides our patented Safe Care technology. Our microwave ovens are ideal for India with 101 auto-cook menus. Not just consumer products, but we have made strong inroads into commercial establishments too with our range of deep freezers. And we will continue to innovate and be inspired. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the support of excellent partners like you. As we have grown, so has our footprint, and you have contributed immensely to it. In the words of our esteemed partners,
Hi dealer friends, I am Amarjit from Maharashtra Electronics Pune. We are dealing with Haier products from last 3 years. Haier inspires its trade partners and customers alike, living up to its slogan, Inspired Living. Haier has given the quality product to Indian customers. I would like to thank the entire Haier team who has taken the efforts to make the brand at the top.
मेरा नाम सुरेश ओसवाल। मेरी पुणे में 2 ब्रांच है, एक है बिब्बेवाड़ी और एक है कोथरूड में। मैं हायर का वैसे 4 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और वैसे मैं ये ब्रांड्स को सेल करते हुए काफ़ी संतुष्ट हूँ। एक तो इनकी सर्विस अच्छी है, प्रोडक्ट भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, इसलिए हमको ये ब्रांड बेचने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है और मैं इस ब्रांड से बहुत संतुष्ट हूँ।
Associated with Haier since the inception of Haier in India, and we have done reasonably very well in Dehradun, and today Haier has come among the most acceptable brands.
We've been associated with Haier from 2006. It was the first experience center We've really seen Haier growing.
And we are very happy with the customer feedback because the technology is up to date and competent with all the latest brands.
Hi, I am Suresh. Happy sales with the brand Haier to all of you.
Please put your hands together and welcome the super talented, the super hot, super handsome John Abraham.
Today, as we gather here, let's take our passion for inspiration higher. Let's chart new territories together. Let's form a bond closer to the shore of success. Let's set sail towards a bright and profitable future. Let's continue to be inspired and inspire with Haier.